Set up a Zoom meeting as a host. First of all, you have to install the Zoom Workplace on your computer. Then you will jump into this interface. Here, if you want to create a new instant meeting as a host, just click on New Meeting. In order to schedule a new meeting as a host, click on Schedule. In my case, I'm just creating a new instant meeting. Once you are in the meeting window, it's time to invite participants. To do that, just click on Participants. And here you will find all of your meeting participants. Now all you have to need to invite people, just click on Invite. And here you can select contacts or email. Then go ahead and just select Gmail, and you can also copy the invite link or copy invitation link, and here you will find your meeting password. So that's how you can add participants in your meeting. And this is your host tools. Click on that. And here you can adjust these settings as a host for your meeting. You can allow all participants to, you can enable or disable screen, share screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves. So that's how you can actually set up a new meeting as a host in Zoom.